Welcome to another video. So in this particular video we are going to make a comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 10T and the Galaxy Note 9. Both of these devices are running the Snapdragon processor inside. One is coming with an old Snapdragon 845 processor inside, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 10T is coming with Snapdragon 865 plus chipset inside. And let's see what all these devices are capable of by testing out different games. And also we will going to test out their fingerprint sensor, because both of these are coming with the physical fingerprint scanner. One is coming on the back side, the other one has on this side. So without any further ado, let's jump into and see what are these devices are capable of. So guys, both the devices are turned off right now, so let's begin to turn both the devices on and see which devices are going to be faster in terms of loading the screen. 3 2 1 go. Samsung logo appears first here, but the Xiaomi is not behind. Let's see which of both of these devices are going to be faster. Obviously, the 5G logo has been appear on the Mi 10T and Samsung logo on the Galaxy Note 9. And let's see which is going to fast. Yes, the Galaxy Note 9 is behind and the Mi 10T has winner here, and with a significant margin of its loading time is faster than the Galaxy Note 9. So guys, now we are on the main screen of both the devices, so let's test out both of these devices applications which are inside. We are also going to see some gaming testing and their RAM performance in here. So starting from the phone dialer, 3 2 1. It's quicker on the Galaxy Note 9, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 10T has a little slower animation here. Let's go back and see the messaging app. 3 2 1. It's quicker on the Galaxy Note 9 as well, and we have the Xiaomi Mi 10T is a little bit behind. Next we have the Google Play Store. Let's open it up. 3 2 1. It's quicker on the Mi 10T, whereas the Galaxy Note 9 it's a little bit slower. Next we have the camera app. 3 2 1. It's faster on the Mi 10T here. We will check it again. 3 2 1. Yeah, it's quicker on the Mi 10T, whereas the Galaxy Note 9 has slower app application in the camera department. Next we have the Chrome. Let's see how they are going to perform in the website opening. So here we go. Let's open up WWE in both of them and see which are going to be faster. 3 2 1. So it's a little bit quicker on the Mi 10T than the Galaxy Note 9. So the scrolling is really smooth in the Mi 10T. Obviously it's coming with 144 Hz of refresh rate. It's clearly indicating here, and we are seeing very smooth scrolling here in the Mi 10T. So next we have a Wikipedia. Let's see how it's going to perform. 3 2 1. So obviously it's going to be a little bit faster, I think, on the Galaxy Note 9, but obviously you are the judge here. You can see it which is going to be faster. Let's move towards the editing in the Photoshop Express and see how they are going to perform in the 8K image quality of loading, and see how they are going to perform. So let's go. So obviously I'm going to make both of these devices to render really quickly. 1 3 2 1. So obviously it's quicker on the Mi 10T because it's coming with the latest chipset inside. So we have two different games which are going to be tested in this particular speed test. One is going to be Subway Surfers and the other one is going to be the PUBG Mobile. So guys, let's start with the Subway Surfers. 3 2 1. Both the devices are going to load this and see how they are going to perform. So it's pretty much great on both the devices. So obviously the Subway Surface is running pretty smooth on the Mi 10T, whereas the Note 9 is going to be performing decently here. So obviously my favorite game is going to be PUBG Mobile. We are going to test that on both the machines. Let's go. 3 2 1. So let's see which is going to be loading faster here. So Xiaomi Mi 10T is winner here in terms of loading the PUBG Mobile in the device, and Note 9 is a little bit behind here as well. And overall, I think that generally both the devices have performed really quickly, better in both situations, but the Mi 10T is clear winner here just because it is loading the app a little bit faster here. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.